if I tell you that this entire travel vlog was made with just text? How to start up an AI travel vlog? Yes, I know many of you want to start up an AI travel vlog, but you don't know how to go about it, just like this.
It's travel day, baby. Passport? Check. Pink suitcase? Check. Adventure? You already know. Gotta pack smart and cute bikinis, skincare, journal, and of course, the vibes. This is what I came for. Sunshine, sand, and not a single care in the world. Coconut in hand, sunset on my skin. I'm exactly where I'm meant to be. Bye guys, see you in the next one.
Text to image, text to video, all you need to do is just for you to create an avatar that look just like you. That's if you want the vlog to carry your own face. Stay with me, I'm going to be taking you step by step on how I created this stunning video just with free AI tools. So as always, let's head over to ChatGPT for us to begin this process, okay? Once you're on ChatGPT, paste in this prompt. Let me know if you know the prompt in the comment section so I can send it to you via comment section, because the prompt is really lengthy. I can't paste it on my description, okay? I said I want a travel vlog. Give me a 20 seconds long vlog, include alpaka scenes, and I want the vlog to contain just 4 scenes. The features of the vlog are as follows. She is bright caramel skin lady. She is 30 years of age. She has an hourglass shape. She is very curvy as she is having a long 40 inches pink hair on her, and so many things. Okay, so let me know. I'll send you the prompt in the comment section. Okay, so once everything is done, I'm just going to click on send. Once I send it, ChatGPT is going to analyze what the prompt I've put in so that it can give me what really suits it. Okay, so here I'm just trying to still let you screenshot the prompt if you want to screenshot it. As I earlier said, if you need it, let me know. I'll send it to you via comment section. Okay, so as you can see, ChatGPT has analyzed our prompt and it has come up with the 20 seconds long vlog. Okay, so here's the 20-second vlog. The first scene, trip begins, excited and ready. Is trying to describe the video. The character description, as I've already stated on the prompts that I put in here. Okay, so ChatGPT also give me the image prompt for each scene. Remember that I said in my prompt that I just want 4 scenes for this vlog because I don't want this video to be too long because of this tutorial. Okay, so now ChatGPT has given us each prompt for each scene. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is for me to scroll down and copy the very first prompt for the first scene so that we can go and create our videos right away. We are going to be using one tool for us to get our images, and we are also going to convert that same image into video from one tool. Okay, so let's head over to Google. Head over to your Google and type Google Image FX. Okay, once you type Google Image FX, it's going to load up and it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, once you're on this interface, click on this very one here, the first one. When you click on it, it's going to open an interface just like this. All you need to do is just for you to sign up with your Gmail. Okay, once you sign up with your Gmail, you are going to find yourself here. Click on try Wix. Once you click on, it's going to load up and it will bring you to this interface. Once you are here, click on enter to. Once you click on enter to, it's going to load up again and it's going to bring you here. Once you are here, click on continue. Finally, you are going to see yourself in this interface. This is where you can put in your prompt so that we can get our image generated. Head over to ChatGPT and copy your first image scene. Paste it here and click on this arrow and you will see that your image will start generating. As you can see, it's processing the image. It's going to take some time, depend on your internet connection. So as you can see, our image has been generated. This is really beautiful. Okay, so what we need to do now is for you to go back to ChatGPT and get your second prompt copied. Once the prompt is being copied, come back here and paste in the second image prompt for us to get our second image. Okay, after pasting the prompt, just click on this arrow and it's going to generate our second image for us. Okay, as I earlier said, it's going to take some couple of seconds or minutes, depend on your internet connection. And look at that, our image has been generated. It's still trying to generate the second one, because each image prompt you put is going to give you 2 images for that particular prompt. Okay, it's still trying to generate our second image, and once you are okay with it, just go back and copy the third prompt, copy the fourth prompt. That's how you are going to repeat the same process until you've generated all your images across all scenes. Okay, so now that we are done generating all our images, the next thing for us to do is for us to turn all these static images into video. Okay, and for us to do that, what you need to do, just for you to click on the image you want to turn into video. Once you click on the image, click on animate. When you click on animate, it's going to bring you to an interface just like this place that say give it some animations. Go back to ChatGPT, grab the image prompt you used to generate this same image before. Once you copy it, come back here and paste it here. Okay, once it's been pasted, just click on this arrow. It's going to take some couple of seconds or minutes, depend on your internet connection, just the way I said before, and it's going to turn this static image into a video. How cool is this? As you can see, this is our video right here. For you to download, just click on this download icon. Once you click on it, it's going to show a dialog box like this. Click on download and it's going to be downloaded to your device. How cool is this? Once it's been downloaded, just repeat the same process. Click on this image. Once you click on it, head over to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt you used to generate the image, paste it here. Once it's been pasted, click on this arrow, and within few seconds your video is ready. So that's how you are going to repeat the same process across all the images in order for you to turn them into videos. Okay, now that we have gotten our video, it's now time for us to add voiceover, add background music, and let our video be ready. Okay, so for us to do that, I'm going to be using Capcut for the purpose of this video. Feel free to use any other editing tool that you want. Let's head over to Capcut. Once you're on Capcut, click on new project. All right, so once you click on new project, it's going to take you to your videos that we just created and downloaded. Okay, what you need to do is for you to select all the videos. I'm just going to be starting for the very first one, and I will select all the 4. Okay, so once I'm done selecting all the 4 videos, I'm just going to click here that says add. Once I click on add, it's going to bring me to Capcut interface just like this. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on this very line. That's the line that separates the both clips. That's the videos. I'll just click on it in order for me to add transition to the video, for it to have a very seamless flow. Okay, just go around and check the transition that you love. I'm just going to be going with this one. After clicking on it, I'll click here that says apply to all. The reason why I click on this apply to all, so that the transition can apply to all scenes. Okay, so once that is done, I'll just click on this check button. So let's check the transition we just added. Just look at it closely. It's just going to flow in naturally, just flow in slowly. As you can see, do you see that? Just flow in slowly, and it's giving it a very seamless flow. Okay, so once that is achieved, the next thing for us to do is for us to add background music into our video. For us to do that, just come here, click on sound, click on audio. When you click on audio, click on sound, and it's going to bring you here. Once you are here, just search for kind of music that you want. Okay, I'm just going to be typing something like, let's say cool music for vlogs. Okay, I'm just going to type in cool music for vlogs. I'll click on send, and Capcut is going to bring out the different kind of music it has for vlogs. Just go through anyone that really play anyone that suits your video and you add it. I'm just going to be adding this one. I'll click here and it will be added to my video. Once the music is being added, just click on it in order for you to reduce the volume of the music so that the music will not be affecting the voiceover of the video. Okay, once you have reduced it to hear how it sounds. Once you are done, let's add voiceover to it. Okay, for you to add voiceover, just click on this text. So if you click on text to audio. Once you click on text to audio, it's going to open an interface just like this. Here you can actually put in the text that you want. That's, you should paste your script here so that an AI is going to be reading it out for us. Okay, so what you need to do is for you to head over to ChatGPT. Once you're ChatGPT, same place that we've generated our image from, just right here, generate the script for the voiceover. Once you write that, ChatGPT is going to generate each scene. It's going to generate voiceover for each scene. Okay, you can decide to be copying each of the voiceover for each scene to go and paste in Capcut. So to just make everything easier, I will just write it in a way I can just copy and paste in any voice generation tool. Okay, after typing, I'm just going to click on send. Now ChatGPT just going to write out the script for me that I can just easily copy it and take it to Capcut. Okay, so after ChatGPT is done generating the script for me, all I need to do is just for me to copy the script. Once I'm done copying the script, I'm just going to head over to Capcut and paste in the script. Okay, so after pasting it, I'm just going to click on done. All right, so once I click on done, it's going to bring me to an interface just like this for me to be able to choose the voice that I want to read out the script for me. Okay, so once I click here, click on more. After clicking on it, I'm just going to choose female so that a female voice is going to read out the script for us. Do well to listen to almost all the voices so that you will be able to choose the one that suits your vlog. I'm just going to choose this one. After choosing it, I'm going to click on next. Okay, so once I click on next, it's going to bring me to this interface. Once it brings me here, I'll just click on split automatically. Once I click on split automatically, it's going to generate the voiceover for me. Okay, as you can see, our voiceover is ready. How cool is this? You can decide to remove the auto capture, that's the capture showing on it, or you can decide to leave it. And it's as easy and simple as that. Your video is ready. All you need to do just for you to click on export and it will be exported to your device. Now it's your turn. If you ever dream of creating travel content without traveling, then this method is for you. Try it and you will thank me later. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and drop all your questions if you have any on the comment section. Want to learn how to turn Bible verses into viral gospel music that blesses souls and also make you money? Then click on this video and I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can do that.